What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. I just received this shipment yesterday from TurtleWax, so I'm excited. We'll be doing an unboxing, and let's go ahead and get started. No intro, please. All right, so we got one here. Box is a little dinged up, but it's all right. This is the scratch repair. We also have the spot clean. And we have the pure shine, as well as the graphene acrylic trim restorer. So that's pretty awesome. I'm really excited to try these products, especially, well, all of them, but really kind of like the trim restorer. I'm kind of looking forward to that, to see how that works. So I want to give a quick shout out to TurtleWax. Thank you guys very, very much for this. Always appreciate it. You guys are awesome. And especially a special thanks to Holly for informing us on the shipments and just being really gracious to answer any of the questions that we have. Really do appreciate it. So I will be doing videos of these soon. For right now, I just wanted to go ahead and do the unboxing. And here it is, a little bit of an unveil. Like I said, I already have ideas now on, the vehicles that I'll be using them on, and I'm really excited. So I'm stoked. I'm stoked for this. I'm really happy about this. So thank you guys for watching. All right, guys, if you like the video, make sure to hit that like button. If you appreciate this type of content, feel free to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Hope everyone has an awesome day. Take care.